Today is a very special moment for our new students. We are welcoming them officially on campus.
I came to the open day, felt like this was the right place. Everyone has a lot of energy, so that energy really makes you want to learn and want to get good results.
Since I've moved here from a new country, I really want to build great bonds, get something meaningful out of my experience professionally and personally as well.
It's a perfect opportunity for students to get to know the academic culture at Nyenrode. I think teamwork is one of the most important skills. So when you're going into your career later, it really helps if you've already practiced with different models of teamwork so that when you go to your working environment, you've already got all of that experience and can use what will suit the new environment. It's a great way to practice.
They have a few workshops and they are all about personal leadership, so to say, and the goal is to get to know each other a little bit better. It's a business university also, right? So you learn a lot about the content, but always with the close connection to the business and to the real life.
I love entrepreneurship, so that's why I choose Nyenrode. One thing, of course, the connections, and besides that, the very interesting courses we're gonna get on entrepreneurship and finance.
It's really important for me to understand and to relate to the real financial world. We as Nyenrode are really diverse and we strive to the same goal, and that's why we are connected to each other. It's a really purposeful thing to follow.
What makes this program super unique is the personal touch that we bring in. So students are not just numbers for us. They are individuals who we work hard with, who we do a lot for. We equip them with the skills that are required to master the master, as they say.